Hi friends, welcome back to Model Maths Madagascar YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, click bell button and share with your friends. And thank you very much for watching my videos. Today in this video we are going to learn about Intermediate Second Year Mathematics 2A, 4th chapter Theory of Equations, part 3. So very short questions we are going to discuss in this part. Already in the previous part 1, part 2 we discussed long questions. For that if you want I will try to give the link in the I given the link in the description and otherwise theory of equations part 1 by Nagaraj sir. You can get the first part videos. Theory of equations part 2. If you search like this, you can get a video in the YouTube channel. Okay. In this theory of equations, already I gave the some basic information in the part 1. So now in this very short questions, we have some more information needed. That is, suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is that? This is a quadratic equation we know very well. The sum of the roots and product of the roots, two conditions we can write. Sum of the roots is minus b by a, and what is the product of the roots? Product of the roots is c by a. So, if you take a cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, then it has three roots. One is alpha, beta, gamma. So, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Okay, now because the quadratic equation has two roots and the cubic equation has three roots. So, what are the roots? Let alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma are three roots I am assuming. Then sum of the roots is what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma, and sum of product of two roots, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Next, third one is product of the roots, that is alpha beta gamma, that is. Okay now, what is sum of the roots? Minus b by a. Next, sum of product of two roots, c by a. And then last product of the roots, minus d by a. Okay, minus plus minus. Next, third condition, by quadratic equation ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus d equal to 0. It has how many roots? It has four roots: alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 conditions. One is sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, that is minus b by a. Next, sum of product of two roots taken in fact, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus alpha. Sorry, I am writing in order. Alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta plus beta alpha, got it? Beta gamma plus beta delta plus next to beta alpha beta gamma, got it? Next to gamma alpha gamma beta gamma delta is equal sum of product of two roots means this we get c by a. Of course, we can use the first one and last one in the problem solving. The second and third are no need to use. Next, sum of the product of three roots taken in here means alpha into beta into gamma, alpha beta delta, beta gamma alpha, beta gamma delta. Like that, I am writing simply is equal to minus d by a, c by a, minus d by a. And last one is product of roots alpha, beta, gamma, delta. That is what? Minus b by a minus c by minus d by a, e by a. So four conditions. Okay, we mostly use in the long questions, first and last condition. This is a small prior information regarding both the quadratic equation and cubic equation and biquadratic equation. Several times we use these properties in the solving problems. Okay. Next, in addition to these, some more important and till now we have not seen the properties. Those I am going to give you. Please subscribe my Model Maths Nagaraj sir YouTube channel and click bell button and share with your friends. Okay. So please note down the important key points one by one I am telling, which we use in the problem solving. Even previous information also needed. Okay. Already we have seen that, also note down. Okay, first one, the equation whose roots are whose roots are reciprocal to roots of f of x is equal to 0 is f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Okay? 1 by 1, first condition. Next, second condition. The equation whose roots are negatives. What about negative roots of f of x is equal to 0 is f of minus x is equal to 0. You first note down 1 by 1. In the problem solving, how to use this formulas in the problems I will tell you. Next, the equation whose roots are k times roots of f of x is equal to 0 is f of x by k is equal to 0. Okay. Next, the equation whose roots are square of roots of f of x is equal to 0 is f of root x is equal to 0. So very important key points you must remember. And simple, these are the equation whose roots are similarly cubes. For cubes of roots of f of x is equal to 0 is what we can write? You can guess it. Yes, very good. Cube root of x is equal to 0. Okay. Then the equation whose roots are like x plus h comma x1 plus h comma x2 plus h comma x3 plus h, so and so of the roots of f of x is equal to 0 is f of x minus k equal to 0. F of x minus k equal to 0. Here x1, x2, x3, x1 plus h, x2 plus h, x3 plus h are the roots. Then the remaining equation becomes f of x minus k. Otherwise, we can write alpha 1 plus h, alpha 2 plus h, alpha 3 plus h also in general we can write. Next, similarly, the last one is the equation whose roots are x1 minus h, x2 minus h, x3 minus h of the roots of f of x 0. Then it is what? Yes, very good. X minus h, x plus h is equal to 0. Okay? These are the conditions which we use in the problems. See one by one. If the equation is given, then you can ask to find the other equation whose roots are reciprocal to given equation. Then simply apply 1 by x, means replace x by 1 by x. F of 1 by x equal to 0, find out we get answer. Next, okay now, and most probably we can use in the competitive exams the statements like MCET exam and the banking exam, any other competitive exam, so we can use many times, several ways. So remember these all formulas. So very simple formulas. Just if you study one time, you can remember easily. Second one, negatives of the roots, means some question will be given f of x is equal to some question. So they will ask you find the equation whose roots are negatives of the given equation, so and so. Then immediately just know f of minus x equal to 0. Similarly in this way, let us see the problems, you can understand easily. Okay, so in this part 3, based on these concepts, based on these key points, we solve 2 marks questions. So first one is find the equation whose roots are whose roots are 2 plus or minus root 3 comma 1 plus or minus 2i, 1 plus or minus 2i. Okay, so given that actually here 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, 1 plus 2i, 1 minus 2i, 4 roots are given. Okay, so given that alpha equal to 2 plus root 3 and beta equal 2 minus root 3 and gamma equal 1 plus 2y and delta equal 1 minus 2y. Am I right? So alpha, beta, gamma, delta, given that, let are the roots of the equation. What is the equation? Whose roots are alpha, beta, gamma, delta. That is, therefore, the equation whose roots are alpha, gamma, beta, gamma, and delta is x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma into x minus delta equal to 0. Similarly, from first two and next two, we can find x square minus half alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Similarly, x square minus half gamma plus delta into x plus gamma delta. Okay, so now substitute. What is alpha? Alpha is 2 plus root 3 into plus beta what? 2 minus root 3 plus alpha into beta means 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So this is the first one. Next one, x square minus half gamma plus delta. Gamma means 1 plus 2y plus 1 minus 2y into x plus gamma into delta means 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 2y is equal to 0. So now simplify, minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel, plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled, and x square minus half. By solving this we can get the solution, that's it. Okay, now in the previous just found out in quadratic expressions like alpha and beta are given, then how to find the quadratic equation. But here some extension of the quadratic expressions, theory of equations. In that, how to find a equation, 4 roots are given, means in this way we are solving. 2 plus 2 how much? 4. Sorry, here I forgot x. So we get minus 4x, and 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 becomes 2 square into 2 in a plus b into a minus b formation. So we get a square minus b square, means 2 square minus root 3 square. 2 square means, see here I am doing number a plus b into a minus b means 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, which is equal to 2 square minus root 3 square. Square will cancel. 4 minus 3 how much? 1. So simply I am writing 1 instead of that. Next x square minus 1 plus 1 2, those vanished. So 2x is remaining. And what about 1 plus 2a into 1 minus 2a? This is also green. 1 plus 2a into rougher. Okay, here I am doing 1 plus 2a into 1 minus 2a. So a plus b into a minus b formation. Am I right? So which is called a square minus b square. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, I square means minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus 1. So becomes 5. Okay? So plus 5 equal to 0. Then what next? After multiplying each and every term, we can get the answer. X square into x square, x power 4. X square into minus 2x, minus 2x cubed. X square into 5, 5x square. Minus 4x into x, minus 4x cubed. Minus 4x into minus 2x, plus 8x square. Minus 4x into 5, minus 20x. Minus 1 into x square, minus x square. Minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2x. Minus 1 into minus plus 5, minus 5. Okay, finally we can write the answer x power 4 and the cube terms here minus 2 here minus 4. So minus 6x cube and x square terms 5, 8, 13 minus 1 means 12x square, and x terms. What are the x terms? Here minus 20x and here plus 2x becomes minus 18x and constant is minus 5 equal to 0. So this is the solution. Okay. If you have any doubt, please watch from back to now. You can understand it. Then a small question. So this is only little bit lengthy question. After that, we have any small steps questions. Okay. Let me take the second question. This is a very important second question. So many times repeated the second question. What is that second question? Yeah. If minus 1 comma 2 comma alpha are the roots of 2x cube plus x square, 2x cube plus x square minus 6 equal to 0. Then what is A? A is 2. What is B? B is 1. What is C? Minus 6. Very good. So A is 2, B is 1, C is minus 2. So what are the roots? Minus 1 comma 2 comma alpha. And minus 1 comma 2 comma alpha are roots. So you apply the condition, sum of the roots, product of the roots. I am going to apply sum of the roots condition. What is sum of the roots? Sum of the roots means this is a cubic equation, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what condition? Minus b by 2. So this is the condition, general condition. Sorting we have written same condition. Here alpha means first root minus 1 plus beta means second root 2 and gamma means third root alpha is equal minus b means what? 1 by a means what? 2. So by solving this we can get the answer. 1 minus 1 plus 2 how much? 1 plus alpha equal minus 1 by 2. Then alpha equal minus 1 by 2 plus 1 side it becomes minus 1. Alpha equal what? 2 is the denominator. 2 1 2 1 minus 3 by 2. So this is the answer. Is it clear? Very simple question. So let us see third question. Third also important question and the same process. I just give the question, you try it. Third one also important question. If 1 comma 1 comma 1 r comma alpha. Sorry, 1 comma 1 comma alpha. The roots of x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. Find alpha. Okay, do it, try it. Yes, very good. Okay, now how can we do? Compare with the ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Right? What is a, what is b, what is c, what is d? Okay. Then after use sum of the zeros, sum of the roots formula minus b by a, you can get the answer, that is alpha equal to 4. Okay, now do your practice. If you don't know, please put in comment box. I will give you reply with the answer. Okay. Next one, fourth one. If alpha comma beta comma 1, alpha comma beta comma 1 are the roots of x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, then find values of alpha and beta. Then find alpha and beta. See, take the given equation. Okay, this is also you can do. If you are interested to solve the problem, just pause the video and solve it. After that, you can verify with me. What is the first step? Comparing with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. What is a? A is x cube quotient 1, b is x squared quotient, that is minus 2, c is minus 5 and d is 6. Okay, what are the roots here given? Alpha, beta, 1. Alpha, beta, 1. These are the roots. So apply sum of the roots formula. Sum of the roots what formula? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So here no need to write alpha plus beta plus gamma. Directly I am writing sum of the roots means the roots are alpha, beta, 1. So those sum is alpha plus beta plus 1. Which is called minus b by a. B means what here? Minus 2. By 1 means 1. Minus is minus plus 2. So alpha plus beta is equal to becomes plus 2. Plus 1 center become minus 1. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Okay, now let us take equation 1. Next, by using from only a single equation we can't find alpha and beta values. So take one more condition. What is the second condition? Sum of the product of two roots. What is the third condition? Product of three roots. So third condition I am taking. So product of roots. What is product of roots condition? See, tell me. First one minus b by a, second one c by a, and last product minus d by a. So minus d by a. Product means what? Alpha into beta into 1. And minus d means what? 6 only, by a means 1. So we get alpha into beta into 1 means alpha into beta is equal to minus 6. Okay? Same. From 1 and 2 we can write our answers directly. Okay? How? Satisfied. Sum is 1, product is minus 6. Which two numbers are satisfied? Very good. 3 into minus 2. So 3 minus 2 becomes 1. 3 into minus 2 becomes minus 6. So from 1 and 2, because of 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. To satisfy these two conditions, alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 2. Or alpha is equal to minus 2, beta is equal to 3. Both way we can express, no problem, that is. Or otherwise, we have one more method to solve this question. Fine, let's take alpha minus beta whole square equal alpha plus beta whole square plus 2 alpha beta, sorry, minus 2 alpha beta, minus 4 alpha beta, and substitute the values, we get alpha minus beta value. That is taken as the equation 2, this is equation 1, and solving those two equations, we can get alpha and beta. It's a lengthy process. So instead of that, just think sum of two numbers, which two sum of two numbers is 1, and the product of which two numbers is minus 6, means 3 and minus 2. That way we can write the answer. Okay. Next, fifth question. Is it clear? Small questions these are. The product of, note down, if the product of 4x cube plus 16x square minus 9x minus a equal to 0 is 9, then find value of a is 9, then find value of a. These are all important questions. Okay now? Very important questions, a small question. 4x cube plus 16x square minus 9x minus a is equal to 0 is 9. See, given that let f of x is equal to taking as 4x cube plus 16x square minus 9x minus a is equal to 0. This is a. Compare with the general equation, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. What is a? A is 4. What is b? B is 16. What is c? Minus 9. What is d? A. What is the condition? Product of the roots is 9. Given that product of roots is 9. What is the product of roots formula? Product of roots formula. First two, sum of roots minus b by a, next c by a minus d by a. Minus d by a is the product of the roots general form, and is equal to 9 is given, that is written as it is. So minus means minus, d means what here? A. By a means what? 4 is equal to 9. So 4 side right side, minus a equal 4 into 9, 36. So a equal minus 36 is the answer. So keep it box to highlight the answer. Is it clear? See here, product of the roots is equal to 9 is given, and generally we know that the product of roots is condition minus d by a. Okay now, of the original equation. So minus d by a. D means what? A. So instead of d I have written a. Minus means minus. By means by. A means what? What is a value? 4 is equal to 9. Okay. In the mentioned question, a is different in the general form a. That might. D means, actually this is the formula. Minus d by a is the formula. Where minus means minus, d means what? D means a. A means what? Denominator a means what? This a means what? 4. So solving this, we can get original what we need that. Okay. Next row. Next question. Which question? Yeah, sixth question. We just have only 11, 12 very short questions. Those are enough from this chapter. Okay. If 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 are roots of x cube minus 2x square minus 2x square plus ax plus 6 is equal to 0 plus ax plus 6 is equal to 0. Then find value of a. Then find value of a. See which question is given. First few steps are same in every question, that is comparing with general equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal. Now tell me what is a 1, very good. What is b? Minus 2, good. What is c? A. What is d? 6. What are the roots are given? 1 minus 2 comma 3. See, ability is simple logic to solve this problem. Here 1 is a root, so 1 substitute in the equation, you can get the a value. Simple way. Or minus 2 substitute, same process, same a value get. Or 3 substitute, same value get. Okay? I am doing here by concept of relation between roots and coefficient process. Okay, I will tell you second method also. First listen this. If you write any method, you will be awarded the 2 marks. Don't bother about that. Okay, here I am applying. This is sum of product of 2 roots. So take the condition sum of product of 2 roots. Take an end, that is minus b by a and c by a condition. So sum of product of 2 roots means sum of 2 plus 2 roots plus 2 roots. What are those? 1 minus 2, 3 are the roots. 1 minus 2, 3. So 1 into minus 2. Next minus 2 into 3. Next 3 into 1 is equal c by a. C means what? A. By a means what? 1. So 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 3 into 1, 3 is equal to a. So minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 is equal to a. Therefore a equal to minus 5. Okay. So this is the general process in this topic. But if you know this, other than this also we can solve. Here I am going to explain the second method. Because of simply we can find the a value. See, given that 1, I am taking only one element. Okay na? 1 is a root of x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus plus 6 is equal to 0. If 1 is a root of this equation, then 1 must satisfy this equation. That becomes 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now 1 cube means 1. 1 square means 1 into 2 plus a into 1 a plus 6 is equal to 0. So plus a as it is the diagram. See, 6 plus 1 how much? Sorry, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 2 how much? 5. A plus 5 equal to 0. Then a equal to what? Minus 5. I think second method is easy, I think. No, don't bother, but you can follow second method, no problem. Okay? So if you minus 2 substitute, then also you will get same answer. Okay, not only for 1, for 3 also. Okay? So mathematics problems means we can solve in the several methods. Okay, now let us see the problems based on the previous concepts. Reciprocal of the roots, negatives of the roots. I told you now. Yeah. Find the transformed equation whose roots are. Find the transformed equation whose roots are. You can write the question immediately. Whose roots are reciprocals of the roots. Reciprocals are the roots of reciprocals of the roots of x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 7x square plus 5x minus 2. How can we solve this? Plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. How to solve this? Just tell me. X power 4 minus 3x cube plus 7x square plus 5x minus 2. How can we solve this? Yes, very good. Reciprocals means what? 1 by x reciprocal 1 by x. So, first given that f of x is equal x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 7x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So, the equation whose roots are reciprocal to f of x is f of 1 by x equal to 0. That means replace x by 1 by x means x power 4 means 1 by x power 4 minus 3 into x cube means 1 by x cube plus 7 into x square means 1 by x whole square plus 5 into x means 1 by x minus 2 equal to. By solving this we can get the answer. That's it, very simple. So tell me 1 power 4 means 1 by x power 4 means x power 4 minus 3 into 1 by x cube plus 7 by x square plus 5 by x minus 2. So what is the LCM in all terms? X power 4. So x power 4 into 1, 1. Sorry, same terms no, that's why right answer. Here x cube in table, x into minus 2, minus 3x. Plus x square into x square, so 7x square. X into x cube, so 5x cube. Nothing means x power 4 as minus 2x power. So first write okay. Then x power 4 into 0, 0. So it becomes 1 minus 3x plus 7x square plus 5x cube minus 2x power 4 equal to 0. So write in order means first write down x power 4 quotient. So minus 2x power 4, next x cube term, 5x cube, next x term, x square, 7x square, next x, next 1. Okay, generally first term is a negative. So if you remove that, multiply with minus, or we can express the same equation as 2x power 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. That's the answer. That's it. Very simple. Reciprocal means just take f of 1 by x. That's it. So next, 8th question. Find the transform equation whose roots are negative of the roots of x power 4 5x cube plus x power 4 5x cube 11x plus 3. So how to solve this question? You do it not reciprocal. Here negative roots. Negative means what? What is f of x? X power 4 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 3 equal to 0. Negative roots means what? Very good. F of minus x equal to 0. Negative means f of minus x equal to 0. Means x means minus x plus 5 into minus x plus 11 into x plus minus x is just substitute and simplify. Minus power 1 power 4 is plus x power 4 it becomes. Minus power 3 means minus, so minus 5 into x cube plus into minus minus 11 into x plus. That's it, completed this solution. Is it easy or not? 8 questions are completed. Now just 3 more questions are there. Okay. Can I remove this? Please make a notes. Any doubt? Okay. So 9th question. If alpha, beta, gamma are roots of x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0, then find the equation whose roots are 3 times given roots. Okay. What is f of x solution? X cube 2x square minus 4x minus 3 square. Okay. Solution. So equation whose roots are k times, apply formula, k times given roots is, what is the formula? Very good. F of k by x is equal to 0. Means here f of 3 by x is equal to 0. So 3 by x means, sorry, very good. F of x by k equal to 0. Then the equation becomes what? X by k means x by 3 equal to 0. So now x by 3 substitute and simplify. Take LCM. You will get the answer. Do it. Am I right? In place of x, I substitute x square. X cube means x cube. 3 cube means 3 into 3, 27 plus 2x square by 3 square means 9 minus 4x by 3 minus 3. What is the LCM? 27. So 27 is the LCM. Then x cube 9 is there in 9 table 3 times 3 into 2 6x square. 3 is there in 3 table, it becomes 9 times 9 into 4x 36x. By nothing, 1 table 27 times 27 into 3 very 1 equal to 0. So now 27 to the right side we will get the answer. So x cube plus 6x square minus 36x minus 81 equal to is the answer. Okay. Yeah. Next 10th question. Same type of question I will give you for homework and do it the same process. Just now 3 times is given. Next I am going to give find the equation whose roots are 2 times the roots of 2 times the roots of x power 5 minus 2x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the question. Okay, we solve this question. Very good. In case of x, just write up x by 2 because of 2 times means x by k formula applies. Same x by k, x by 2. Substitute x by 2 in place of x wherever x is there and simplify, take LCM, write the answer. You want the answer? Okay, answer is x power 5 answer minus 4x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 16x square 64x plus 96. Sorry, plus 64 plus 96 equal 0. So this is the answer. X power 5 minus 4x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 16x square plus 64x plus 96 equal 0. Okay. So then last question from this chapter, this part, in this very short questions. Okay. We just have only 3 parts of this area of equations. First 2 parts we completed long questions, and the last part is very short questions. Okay. Last one is find the equation whose roots are find the equation whose roots are square of the roots of roots of x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, question. Okay. Last question means according to my note, my material is last question. If you are more interested, please open the textbook and solve the remaining problems. Okay, now those you can solve by based on these concepts. Okay. So given that f of x is equal to, I am taking that x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. What is the condition? Square of the roots. So what is formula? The equation whose roots are square of roots of f of x is the condition f of root x is equal to 0. That means replace x by root x. We get root x cube plus 3 into root x square minus 7 into root x plus 6 is equal to 0. See here, root x cube means root x into x. So becomes x root x. And plus 3 into root x square means root x into root x becomes x only. Otherwise 2 square cancel. Minus 7 root x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is not completed. So in this x root x and minus 7 root x, a root x is common. The remaining is x minus 7 into root x, and which is called set remaining terms to right side. 3x and right side becomes minus 3x, and plus 6 and right side becomes minus 6. So in this what is common? Minus 3 is common, then x plus 2 is remaining. Here we get root x into x minus 7. So to remove root x, we just squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. See here, to simplify, I am doing the squaring. Okay, squaring on both sides. So what this becomes root x into x minus 7 whole square is equal to minus 3 into x plus 2 whole square. See, root x whole square means just x only, and x minus 7 whole square means a minus b whole square formula. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, and is equal minus b whole square means 9, and x plus 2 whole square means what? A plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So then x into x square minus 2 7 ja 14x plus 7 square 7 7 ja 49 is equal to 9 into x square 2 into 2 4x 2 square means 4. Simplify this, we can get the answer. X into x square x cube, x into 14x 14x square, x into 49 49x. Okay, 9 after is equal to 9 into x square 9 into x square, bring left side becomes minus 9x square, and after is equal 9 into 4x 36, bring left side becomes minus 36, and 9 4 is 36, bring left side minus 36 equal to 0. So finally x cube, x square comes here minus 14 here minus 9 becomes minus 23x square, and x comes here 49 here minus 36 becomes what? Plus 13x. Am I right? Yeah, 13. And the remaining minus 36 is equal to 0 is the answer. Okay, finish the part 3 of the equations. Is it clear? Am I fast? Okay, in the next video we will try to reduce speedness. The next we can discuss permutations and combinations. Okay, in simple way I will teach you permutations and combinations. In that chapter also I divided what are the 4 marks questions, what are the 2 marks questions. For the exam, 2 4 marks questions and 2 2 marks questions from permutations and combinations. And that permutation combinations also useful for MCET examination purpose, and competitive exams also we can use. Okay, in the next level, in degree level, BTech level also we have probability. So to solve the probability permutation combinations we must know. So please watch next video to more information, more knowledge on intermaths. Okay, permutation combinations not only for intermediate scoring purpose, it is also used for another next levels also. In different several ways also it is useful. So please watch next video. And thank you for watching, and thank you for following, thank you for subscribing my channel, and thank you for liking my channel, thank you for sharing my channel. And request, till now, if you did not subscribe, please subscribe and click bell button. Thank you very much.